I think it's almost a replay of some of the themes we saw prior to the market closing as a result of COVID. And I think JD particularly hits the target of being large and therefore it will be liquid in the aftermarket and being extremely high quality and well known. So I think all of those factors play quite nicely as a major landmark deal to reopen this IPO market here in Europe.
Gareth, what does the pipeline look like right now? One imagines that there are some companies that are revisiting their plans, but are they postponing or are they cancelling?
Yeah, I think frankly, it's very difficult at this point to really give any color on what the pipeline looks like. I think the base case for most, equity capital markets professionals over the last couple of months was that really the September window would be the first potential window for companies to come to market. And even then, it would be quite selective with regards to businesses that perhaps weren't absolutely directly impacted by the coronavirus and therefore were large, high quality and could come to market in that window.
What's your assessment of why markets are as strong as they are at the moment in the context of potential IPO platform? Because if we continue to see this resilient grind higher, one imagines companies will be emboldened to be opportunistic.
I think it's absolutely right. And I think what's happened in the background is we're in a three-phase recovery process. We had the de-risking phase where you saw the big sell-off. We're in the phase at the moment where we're seeing signs of stabilization. And then I think the next stage we're looking forward to is the recovery phase. I think from a capital markets perspective, investors reacted very quickly to be there for primary capital raises tactically. So companies who were able to come to the market quickly, raise equity through block trades on a primary basis. Those went actually in the main very well and were well received by the market. I think the second part of that really moved on to secondary blocks being well received as well. And then I think the IPO market's the final part to start to reopen at the back end of that.